LYF Water 10, and let me show you how to set up the screen lock on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings, and let's here find and choose the screen lock. It's located under security right here, so let's choose security, choose screen lock, and you can use here voice unlock, pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern. You can require pattern to start the device, or you can choose no thanks. And now you can tap continue and you can add your pattern, tap continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. Let's decide of the form of notification. You can select show all content, you can hide the sensitive one or don't show notifications at all. Let me show all content, tap done, and now after pressing the power key you should see the screen lock, and you can unlock it by using the pattern. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.